Anduril Industries has successfully secured a major contract worth $642 million with the U.S. Marine Corps, marking a significant step in the ongoing evolution of military defense technology. This contract, spanning 10 years, is centered around the deployment of advanced counter-drone systems, under the installation's Counter-Small Unmanned Aircraft System, I-CsUAS, initiative. The objective is clear: to bolster the security of Marine Corps installations worldwide against the growing threat posed by small unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), commonly known as drones. As drones become increasingly sophisticated and ubiquitous, they present a unique and evolving threat to military operations. Anduril's technology is designed to address this by using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous systems to defend against these aerial intruders. This new agreement builds on the company's previous successes in the counter-drone sector and highlights the expanding role of artificial intelligence in modern defense. At the heart of this partnership is Anduril's Lattice platform, a software solution powered by AI that enables continuous, autonomous surveillance and response capabilities. By integrating various sensors and effectors, the platform can quickly detect, track, and neutralize potential drone threats in real time, all with minimal human intervention. This approach not only ensures swift action but also enhances overall situational awareness, providing commanders with critical information for effective decision-making. The modular design of the system is another key aspect of this technology. With an open architecture framework, it allows for the easy integration of additional sensors and defensive tools as the threat landscape evolves. This flexible and scalable system ensures that Marine Corps installations will remain at the forefront of defense technology throughout the duration of the contract. This contract is more than just a milestone for Anduril Industries. It underscores the growing collaboration between the company and the U.S. Marine Corps. In addition to this recent contract, Anduril secured a $200 million deal in November for a counter-unmanned aircraft system, CUAS, to support the Marine Air Defense Integrated System, (MAIDS). These contracts demonstrate the increasing reliance on innovative AI-driven technologies to defend against emerging threats. To meet the rising demand for autonomous defense solutions, Anduril has been ramping up its production capacity. The company's Arsenal 1 production facility is designed to scale quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the U.S. military is prepared for future challenges in the realm of unmanned aerial systems. In a world where drone technology is rapidly advancing, the U.S. Marine Corps' investment in cutting-edge defense systems highlights the importance of staying ahead of these emerging threats. This contract positions Anduril Industries as a key player in the ongoing effort to safeguard critical military assets, ensuring that the Marine Corps remains protected in an increasingly complex and dynamic security environment.